Laura here with Cox Homestead, and I am in an unusual spot for our video. I'm in my kitchen. Y'all have asked, and I'm going to show up and give it to you. Today, I will be showing you my absolute favorite way to make rabbit meat. Well, as you see, everything about this video is a little bit different than my norm. I am in my everyday, average, normal kitchen, nothing fancy, just cutting up some rabbit meat here into bite-sized pieces for some boneless, pan-fried or seared, as you would say, rabbit nuggets. And so this first video is me cutting that up and deboning it, and I'm getting ready for dinner time. So I have a good helping of rabbit nuggets ready. I'm going to head over to the stove here and start preheating my cast iron to about a medium-low temp here. Right here, this is kind of weird, but I'm using the leftover bacon grease from breakfast in my pan to cook the rabbit in. I love the combination of bacon grease and rabbit. My thing may not be yours. You could also use lard, an oil here, tallow, whatever suits your fancy. I just happened to have this left over from breakfast and got really excited to use it for my rabbit nuggets. So it's my typical go-to. If I don't have it fresh, I have it in the fridge for use when I make this. While my pan is warming up, I decided to go ahead and continue cutting up some more rabbit. Here I'm quartering one up. I just removed the front legs. Now I'm going to remove the flaps in the middle and the back legs. And then I'll get the back straps off. I use back straps and back leg pieces to use this recipe. I save those front legs for recipes to eat off the bone, but everything else I like to remove off the bone, and that's what I'm doing here. My pan is now hot, and I'm going to go ahead and pour my rabbit tenderloins into a hot pan and spread that out across the pan so that I can get cooking temp on all the pieces. And then I'm going to add my favorite thing that's absolutely necessary, and that is my Cox Homestead seasoned salt. This is the secret ingredient that makes these pan-seared rabbit nuggets amazing. Here I am just tossing it to get it cooking evenly. Don't overthink this, guys. It is so simple. I noticed that I could bump it up just a little bit, so I cranked up my temperature and checked on my fries and zucchini in the oven. I am still cutting up rabbit while this stuff cooks. Here I wanted to show you that you can also use kitchen shears to cut your rabbit into nugget if that's easier. I try and use chicken shears as much as I can when possible. That makes no sense. Anyways, just cutting up more rabbit.
Are you going to tell this to live?
Yeah, I don't know. You want it?
Yeah.
It's time to check the temperature of this meat. I chopped it up some with the spatula as I went, just to get it done a little bit faster and to have smaller pieces. We want this to reach an internal temperature of 160 up to 165 to be done. If it goes much beyond that, it can really start to dry out and not be as tasty. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demo, something different for me in my average, normal everyday kitchen, nothing fancy. No commercial kitchen ready here. I'm not a chef. I'm just a mom cooking food for my family. And it seems super average to me, although it just happens to be rabbit meat. And I'm hoping that one day it might be average and normal for you to have rabbit meat in your kitchen. That meat that I showed you how to cook today can then be chopped up and put on top of a salad. It can be chopped up and mixed into rabbit salad. You can take that and mix it in with pasta and noodles. The possibilities are endless, and I want you to start trying it today. Like, there's no reason to delay. You have something simple to use. And if you're wanting that seasoned salt, I'll leave my Etsy link in the comments, the description below. I only stock that a few times a year. So if you're watching this while it's in stock, kudos to you. If you've missed it, check back or send me a DM and maybe I will get some made up especially for you. So until next time, eat more rabbit. Hey, if you've made it this far in the video, I want to encourage you to sit down, spend some time with your family, enjoy a meal outside on the front porch, the back porch, under a shade tree, at the park, something. Stop, take some time, enjoy a meal with your family.